Common misconceptions about PhD programs. Pursuing a PhD is a significant academic and personal commitment that is often misunderstood. This presentation aims to clarify some of the most common misconceptions about PhD programs, providing a more accurate picture of what doctoral studies entail. Let us start by discussing the differences between a PhD and a master's degree. PhD versus master's degree. A master's degree is typically focused on coursework and the application of existing knowledge and is usually completed in 1 to 2 years, preparing students for professional practice. On the other hand, a PhD program focuses on original research and contributing new knowledge to the field. It requires a higher level of independent research and critical thinking and typically takes several years to complete. Now, let us look at career paths for PhD holders. Career paths for PhD holders. PhD holders are not limited to academia. While many become professors and researchers at universities, they also have opportunities in research and development roles in industry, as policy advisors and researchers in government, and as specialists in non-profit organizations. PhD programs develop advanced research, analytical, and problem-solving skills that are valued across various fields. Now let us discuss job prospects and salaries. Job prospects and salaries. It is important to note that a PhD does not automatically guarantee a high-paying job. Job prospects and salaries can vary widely depending on the field, industry, job market conditions, and other factors. Researching and understanding the job market and career prospects in your field of study is essential. Next, we will talk about the components of a PhD program. Components of a PhD program. A PhD program has multiple components, including original research that contributes new knowledge, advanced coursework, seminars and workshops for skill development, and teaching opportunities that provide academic experience. While research is a significant part of the program, these other components also play vital roles in developing a well-rounded skill set. Now let us explore what the PhD journey involves. The PhD journey. Pursuing a PhD is time-consuming and typically takes several years to complete. It is a challenging process that requires dedication, perseverance, and significant effort. Completion times can vary based on the field, research topic, and individual circumstances. The PhD journey is nonlinear and can include unexpected hurdles, setbacks, and uncertainties. Now we will discuss how research topics are developed. Research topic development. Many PhD programs allow students to start with a general area of interest and refine their research topic over time. The process begins with initial interest, followed by exploration and refinement during studies, consultation with advisors and mentors, and finally settling on a specific research focus. Let us move on to who can pursue a PhD. Who can pursue a PhD? Pursuing a PhD is not limited to geniuses or exceptionally intelligent individuals. It is more about having intellectual curiosity, passion, and dedication. The PhD journey is inclusive and can be undertaken by individuals with diverse backgrounds, abilities, and experiences. What truly matters is having the right mindset, determination, and a willingness to learn and grow. Now, let us touch on the collaborative nature of PhD research. The collaborative nature of PhD research. PhD programs often involve collaborative research and working with other researchers on joint projects. Conferences and seminars provide opportunities to network with peers and experts in the field. Mentorship and interactions with mentors are integral to the PhD experience. A PhD is not just about solitary work. Collaboration, networking, and guidance play significant roles. Let us move on to professional growth in PhD programs. Professional growth in PhD programs. PhD programs offer opportunities for skill development, such as advanced research and analytical skills, as well as teaching and mentoring experiences. Building a professional network is another advantage, which can open doors to new career opportunities, both within and outside academia. Lastly, let us summarize the key points of this presentation. Key takeaways for this lesson are as follows. Do thorough research about PhD programs in your field of interest. Seek advice from trusted sources, including current PhD students and graduates. Reflect on your own interests, goals, and readiness for the challenges of a PhD program. Set realistic expectations about what pursuing a PhD entails, including both the challenges and opportunities.